Hey guys, Amazon Woot had a sale on humidifier for $25. I guess that's off season, that's why it's cheap. But $25 for an ultrasonic humidifier is pretty cheap, so I bought one. Usually humidifiers last maybe 2 seasons, not more than that. So $25, why not? And that's Lasco. That's actually one of the better brands. Let's see. Let's open this guy. It's got some dents and everything here. Look at that. Hopefully it's not a customer return. It's sealed, so. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. So your manual. Okay, so that's our humidifier. The tank is removable, so you can take it out, fill it back, and come back. Manual says distilled water, but no one. At least I don't use distilled water. I just use the tap water. Runs fine. Sometimes you might see some silt here. We just clean it after the season. And than that, there's nothing much here. That's your ultrasonic mist and your LED display. So power, LED display, adjust the humidity level. That's your cold mist, warm mist. I've never used warm mist, so that doesn't really matter. Timer, and then I guess you can have 3 different directions for your mist. Okay, let me go fill the water and come back. Okay, here's my old humidifier. This is probably 2 seasons old, still works. Okay, again I think I paid like $25 for a unknown company. So here's a new one. Okay, I'm going to fill it up and turn it on. Okay, let's plug this guy. Okay, like, oh, it's super quiet. Look at that, that's a lot of mist coming from. That's just LED brightness. Turn this thing. Hold on. That's okay. Excuse me, level 2. And you can move it on whichever way you want. This thing, yeah, so there you go. That's a lot of humidity. I mean, that's a lot of mist coming. I never run in warm modes. I always run it in cool mode. But anyway, so there you go. It's 1.3 gallon or something like that. So it pretty much runs for like 3 days non-stop if you fill the tank. $25. It's kind of sold out now, but good deal. Thanks for watching.